Hello Sagittarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your weekly prediction from the 28th of November to the 5th of December 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Let's quickly look into your weekly energies. You've got the Two of Wands and Nine of Cups in your general energies. So, Two of Wands here indicates that you could be wanting to travel somewhere. You know where you want to be. You're just exploring options. Nine of Cups energy also in the background tells me that you're in a comfort zone. You want to move out somewhere, but you are just looking out for the right opportunity. Once you find that right opportunity, you should take a step quickly, because things will not remain as the comfort zone never remains the same all the time, and you will have to level up your game to reach somewhere in your life. So Sagittarius, I see that you are evaluating a lot of options this week. This could be in terms of your work. This could also be in terms of your love, although I see you being a little reckless in your love life, for the reason being that you think that you could manipulate your love life. The cards here are the Magician and Transformation. So the Magician here indicates that you've got all the resources to make this relationship a hit or a not hit or a flop. Although it is up to you to sort of use those resources and make the relationship work. The Magician is also ruled by the planet Mercury. There has to be a lot of communication associated when it comes to your relationship. You need to be very open when it comes to communication. You need to communicate very freely with your partner. Let's see what this Transformation card is. So, Sagittarius, there could be some sort of a reveal, a truth reveal to you this week or to your partner, and they could be in a state of shock. This could be in terms of your old relationships. This could also be in terms of money. Your financial status could be a reason here. But I see that this could be due to one of your parents. This could be a tower situation where where something unexpectedly happens. You are not really ready for it, and you can, or they could be feeling very toxic in a situation or in an area of their life which is coming on to your relationship. There could be a decision of not continuing forward when it comes to your partner. There is a tower moment, but I would advise you to keep the lines of communication open. Communicate as much as you can to avoid any mishaps when it comes to your love life. Looking at your career reading, we've got the Strength and Flowering. So if you take one step of courage, you could be a Queen of Pentacles. You could be blessed with a lot of money. If you are fearful of taking up an opportunity, if you are fearful of applying somewhere where you always wanted to, go ahead, do that, and you will get this opportunity. Sagittarians, things look very good for you on one front of life, and there is some sort of an obstacle present in your life. I wouldn't say that it's a bed of roses, but don't let one area dominate your entire life. Keep your love life in a separate place. Keep your work life in a separate place. There are transformations. There is something unexpected happening in your life, but keep your focus on your work, and that is where you're going to progress further. A message from your partner, it's written in the stars. This could also be transformation of a relationship from a long distance to a proper relationship, from a proper relationship to probably an engagement, from an engagement to probably a marriage. So this is an overall area of transformation, can also be very, very positive. one thing that you need to leave in November would be to stop feeling inferior. You need to develop that courage to ask what you want. Sagittarius, you have to be the lion. You have to ask for what you want, and you will receive it. If there are some Sagittarians who are looking out to explore their own skills, see what is their life purpose, the message for them is to speak out. Your life purpose involves your skill of oration. Learn to speak, maybe, and get involved into public speaking, maybe start a podcast. Sagittarians are very good with their speech, and I think this is something that will help you explore new territories when it comes to your work or your skill set in general. The crystal for you, which is extremely important this week, is Sardonyx. This is the crystal that you should keep with you for this week, all the time. And if you do not have a Sardonyx, you can always order with Ruhani Guidance. All our crystals come energized and attuned as per your energies at the bestest price and the bestest quality. So in case you want the crystals, you can DM us, and we will be very happy to courier it to you. Besides Sagittarians, I really look forward to all your comments and all your reviews. Please write to us in the comment section below. When you comment, it helps us reach more people. It helps us it helps the page reach more people like you, and helps my Ruhani family grow. So please help me grow my family. Write to us, like us, share, comment, subscribe, and be a very happy part of the Ruhani family. So this is your weekly reading. Until I do the next weekly reading, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.